Hello children, today we will start with your EVS lesson 18 communication. As you know, communication means to express ourselves or to share our feelings with other. You can do it in two ways, that is your oral or written. Oral means you can use your telephones. In written you can send SMS, you can write emails, you can send letters. Okay, so today we will learn what is communication, what are the types of communication, and what is the role of ICT in communication, that is information and communication technology. Okay, and then we will learn about the recreation through communication device, means how you can have recreation through these devices, and last we will read about the disadvantage of communication devices. So let us start from what is communication. As I have told you, communication means to express oneself or to share your feelings, thoughts, ideas with the people or whom you know, or with the people who live far away from us. Okay, so let us start. We communicate with different people around us daily. These people may be our friend, teachers, parents, relative, or neighborhoods. We communicate to express ourselves and share our feelings. We share our thoughts and ideas with people when we communicate with them. We also communicate with people who live far away. Okay, so we communicate to express ourselves. Now, there are many ways of communication. Let us study them. First is your oral communication. What is oral communication? This type of communication happens when we talk face to face or over the phone. We can talk to people living very far away also using our phones. Earlier there was only landline phone which were fixed, but these days we use mobile phone that can be carried around. Okay, so these are oral communication where you can talk face to face over a phone. Nowadays you have this video calling, then you can talk to them while you can see them. Okay, and you can use the telephone if you want to only talk, then you can use your mobile phone to talk to them, and if you want to see them and talk, you can use your video calling in your mobile phone. Okay children, then comes to your written communication. In written communication, we share our feelings with people far away by writing letters to them or sending an SMS from our mobile phone or email from a computer. These days people send SMS and write emails more often as these are easier and faster. Nowadays, previously people were used to write letters and send them through the post. But now, if you want to write something and send to someone, you can send it through your SMS or your emails. And it is easier and faster to send the messages. Then, role of ICT in communication. ICT means information and communication technology. It plays an important role in communication. How it plays an important role? Let us see. This relates to computer and mobile phone and the use of internet. There are modern ways of communicating with people. So through computer and mobile phone we can communicate with peoples. Okay. There are many ways in which ICT help us to communicate with people. We have already learned that we can write email to people. We can also do video chat on our computer or even a chat on mobile. Video chat help us to see each other also while we are talking. So look at the images below. Have you heard of these? See, these some of the devices are given. Mobile phone we can chat with them, we can do video calling. In computer also we can chat as well as we can video call, we can send message, we can send emails. Through the internet browser you can communicate throughout the world. Okay, and you can get all the information from all over the world. Then email, you can send your messages through email. So these all are known as your information and technology and communication technology, which plays an important role in our life. All these modern ways help us to connect with people very fast. We can quickly connect with people living in other country too. We even get to know the news very fast through these modern means. I have told you these all are the devices through which we can share our feelings or express ourselves with our near and dear ones, those who live near us or far from us, and as well as you can know all the information of the world, what is going on in any other country or in your own state. You can know these through the internet. So the role of ICT, information and communication technology, is very important in our day to day